Alright, so this is gonna be a multi-building look at. Here's a few heat pumps right here. This Merit copter just turned on. I'll catch that one running first. These don't have logos for some reason. Open scroll. There's your roofing valve. I can't remember. Let me know, has anybody ever caught a Mericopter defrosting before? Climate Force HVAC, Compact HVAC, HVAC Productions, Severity, Andrew Beedish. Any of you? Noah Whitmer? Let me know. That's doing good. Lennox is very good. That's 2023 2-ton ML17 XP. That's the new model for the 2-blade. Here's a, I guess, Rheem or Ruud. I think it's a Rheem. Copeland scroll. It's a US motor. 2014 13 PGL, 2.5 ton. Honestly, this is what should have been in place of my Bryant. But yeah, there's this one, and then this other, almost identical. The blades are a little different though. Copeland scroll. Right there. ProTech fan motor. 2014 13 PGL, 2.5 ton as well, and it wasn't running, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, these ones right here. Okay, now here are these ones over here. These weren't running, they turned off. This is Rheem Alley right here, as elevators, escalators, and more would call them, or call that one place at that one. Wow, these are triplets almost. That one is different at the end because it has 3 blades. This is the one that just turned off. You can hear it. You can hear the refrigerant sizzling in there. I'll cover that. The reversing valve. Open scroll. 2015 RP14 3-ton. And yep, it's warm. That feels warm. So it was just on in heat mode. This one seems to have the logo removed. I'm just gonna say Rheem. I always default to Rheem because that's the main brand. 2016 RP14 1.5 ton. So these are smaller. This one's probably the same. Open scroll. 14 2-ton. No, this one's actually bigger. Huh. Interesting. Alright, Rheem Alley. And finally, this one right here. It was running actually, and it's not anymore. But yeah, here's this Heil Quiet Comfort. GE fan motor. It's a little weird getting down here. 2007 3.5 ton, and that's warm like it was running. Oh wow, that feels weird. You can see it there. Alright, anyway, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And over and out.